Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. We got some severe storms coming in and I'm not looking forward to it. Starting tomorrow. Not looking forward to it at all. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here. And if you've enjoyed so far, give this video a thumbs up and refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives, don't matter who, long as you share the news. And always remember, at the end of each month, I'll show you a new item, but that will be at the end of each and every month. Plus, the items I still have. And don't forget to that each item is in mint condition. And like I said, we got very bad storms coming in for tomorrow. Not looking forward to that. And each item I've gotten for birthdays, Christmases, and a lot of it I've collected over years. Now, like I said, the severe storms supposed to hit tomorrow evening, and they said it's going to be bad. It's going to be a lot of lightning, thunder, rain, wind, hail, and it's going to be bad. They said wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour, and not good. Not good. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And don't forget, if there's any item you want to see, whether it's a TV series or just a regular movie, let me know down in the comments and I'll show you that item. And always remember to like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video, and bye for now.